Did you know that the average person spends about 90% of their time indoors? That's a lot of time spent in spaces that could be either sparking your creativity or blocking it completely. In fact, research shows that your environment can either make or break your ability to think creatively. A cluttered desk can decrease your creativity by up to 50%, while spending just 20 minutes in nature can boost your creative problem-solving skills by 60%. The surprising truth is, creativity isn't just about your thoughts, it's about the space around you. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even walking down the street, your environment has the power to shape your ideas and influence your success. In this video, we're going to dive into some unique and proven strategies that show how your surroundings affect your creative flow. From colors and sounds to the people you interact with, you'll learn how to turn your space into a creativity powerhouse. Stick around, and let's unlock the secrets to creating the perfect environment for your best ideas. Chapter 1. The hidden power of your space. Creativity starts here. Your environment is like the canvas for your creativity. The space you work in can either spark new ideas or leave you feeling stuck. Studies show that cluttered spaces can increase feelings of stress and anxiety, which in turn harms your creative thinking. A 2011 study by Princeton University found that clutter can limit your brain's ability to focus and process information. This means, if your desk is messy, your mind might feel the same way. One simple strategy to boost creativity is to clear your space. Whether it's organizing your desk or decluttering your room, you'll free up mental space to focus better. But it's not just about neatness. Think about the vibe of the room. Are you inspired by the walls around you? A study from the University of Texas found that certain environments can trigger specific types of creativity. So, decorate with intention. Your environment should inspire you, not overwhelm you. Chapter 2. Nature versus nurture. Does your environment shape your mind? We've all heard that nature boosts creativity, but how true is it? Well, it turns out nature can significantly affect our mental state. Research from the University of Illinois shows that spending time in natural environments can increase creativity by up to 50%. Walking through a park, for instance, can enhance your ability to think outside the box. This is due to something called restorative effects, which help reduce mental fatigue. On the other hand, urban environments often promote more focused, task-oriented thinking. So, if you're working on a specific project that requires detail and concentration, a bustling city vibe might just be what you need. Try changing your environment based on what type of creativity you need. If you need fresh, out-of-the-box thinking, spend time in nature. If you need focused, structured creativity, try a more urban setting. Chapter 3. The noise factor. Why silence is not always golden. Many people believe that silence is the best way to think creatively. But research shows that the right amount of background noise can actually help ideas flow. In a study from the University of Chicago, researchers found that a moderate level of noise, around 70 decibels, boosts creativity, compared to complete silence or a very noisy environment. Why is this? It's because a bit of noise can create a subtle distraction, which helps the brain think in new ways. But be careful. Too much noise can overwhelm the brain, blocking creativity. If you want to experiment with this, try playing instrumental music or white noise. This can help you get in the zone without the distraction of lyrics or heavy sounds. If you're enjoying these insights so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips on unlocking your creative potential. Let's keep going. Chapter 4. Color Me Inspired. How the palette of your room influences your ideas. You might not think about it often, but the color of your workspace can influence your creative flow. In fact, color psychology suggests that certain colors can trigger specific emotions and thinking patterns. For example, blue is known for calming the mind and enhancing focus, making it a great choice for creativity. In contrast, yellow can evoke feelings of warmth and positivity, sparking innovation and new ideas. Interestingly, red can increase energy levels and alertness, but too much of it can be overwhelming. A study from the University of British Columbia found that people perform better on creative tasks when they work in blue rooms. So, try changing the colors around you based on the kind of creativity you need. Want to stay focused? Go for blue. Need to feel energized? Try yellow. Chapter 5. Breaking Free. How to overcome creative stagnation in predictable spaces. We've all experienced it, the dreaded creative block. Sometimes, it's not you, but your environment that's causing it. If you've been working in the same space for weeks or months, your brain might start to feel stagnant. Just like how your body needs exercise, your mind benefits from change. In fact, switching up your surroundings can help spark fresh ideas. Take a break from your usual routine. Try working in a coffee shop or even outdoors. A study by Stanford found that walking outdoors can boost creativity by up to 60%. So, the next time you feel stuck, take a stroll. If you can't get outside, just rearranging your furniture or working in a different room can give you a new perspective and break through creative blocks. Chapter 6. The People Factor. How company affects your creative mindset. Finally, let's talk about the people around you. Creativity doesn't just happen in isolation. The people you interact with can either help or hinder your creative process. In fact, a study published in the journal Psychological Science found that groups of people can generate more creative ideas than individuals working alone, especially when the group has diverse opinions. Being around people who challenge your thinking is key. So, try to surround yourself with people who inspire and encourage you to think differently. Collaboration doesn't just help you come up with more ideas, it also helps you see your own work from new angles. But remember, the right company matters. Choose to spend time with people who share your interests or who push you to think outside the box. If you've learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and strategies. Together, we'll keep finding ways to unlock your best ideas.